Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely hairstyle on Instagram. So that's basically the passion twist I'm going to be using, and the comb and the scissors and every other thing I'm going to be using for the hair, as you see right there. So I basically saw this hair on Instagram and it just like I really caught my attention. I felt like doing it, so I said let me show you guys, my YouTube family. So if you're interested in this, please guys stay tuned. It's basically going to be a fast forwarded video, so stay tuned and enjoy. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing here is to pass the crochet pin through my hair, then put the hair in the crochet pin, then try to pass it out of the hair. So that's basically how you're just going to do the whole hair, right? Pass the crochet pin through the hair, put the hair in the crochet pin, then pass it through the hair. Then also the last part is to knot it, so you have to knot it to secure it tightly. So you knot it and then tie it again. So I basically started tying it with one, but I noticed like in the middle of the hair, after I've gone through like done a lot of the hair, I noticed that it was unraveling, so I started knotting it 2 times. So once you pass it through the hair, you knot it and then tie it 2 times. So I just did it like 3 parts of my hair, so just basically 3 in each hair, each single braids that I did. So that's basically what I did throughout the hair. I didn't want it to be too much, right? So I just did that because I also wanted the braids to also show. So just pass it and knot it 2 times. I started knotting it 2 times afterwards. So that's just basically, guys. So yeah. And this is the final product, guys. Hope you guys liked it, hope you love it, hope you're going to try it. And please, if you're going to try it, do well to put it down in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that other people can see lovely videos like this and learn how to make their hair by themselves. Alright guys, till next time, love you guys, bye for now.